Quality Network Offering, or most commonly known as QNO, is a leading developer of multi-ISP load-balanced network security router since 2004 for internet cafe, schools, and small to medium business. The hardware and the software is 100% made in Taiwan. Why QNO iCafe router? It is special designed for iCafe business, has a high NAT 1 to LAN performance, has a bandwidth limiter and session limiter, effectively limit live video streaming like YouTube to prevent lag, block websites by domain name, and block websites by keywords. Small SOHO is not reliable for iCafe operation environment because small SOHO router is designed for a small number of users at home or in a small office around 5 to maximum of 8 users, which the CPU and memory is small and not suitable for iCafe operation. iCafe business need a reliable router for its special application because the traffic and loading of iCafe is heavy compared to a SOHO network. QNO iCafe router load performance. An SUV car, it has 2 liters of engine and can accommodate 7 passengers. A minibus, it has 4.5 liters of engine and can accommodate 23 passengers. A bus, it has 7.2 liters of engine and can accommodate 45 passengers. QNO iCafe router load charge model FQR8601 has a 1 ISP, high-speed network CPU, 32 MB memory, and best for 20 computers. FQR8010 has a 2 to 3 ISP, high-speed network CPU, 32 MB memory, and best for 30 computers. FQR8030 has a 2 ISP, Intel IXP 425266 MHz CPU, 64 MB memory, and best for 100 computers. FQR8040 has a 4 ISP, Intel IXP 425533 MHz CPU, 64 MB memory, and 250 concurrent users. So for the comparison, an SUV car, we have FQR8601. For a minibus, we have FQR8010 and FQR8030. A bus, we have FQR8040. An SUV car cannot accommodate 45 passengers because its engine is designed for 2 liters only and can accommodate 7 passengers. So same with the router. An FQR8010 cannot accommodate 250 computers because its CPU and memory is designed for 30 computers. In a 2000 model, we have FBR300, best for 100 concurrent users, FBR410S, best for 250 concurrent users, and in a 2010 model, we have FQR8010, best for 30 concurrent users, FQR8030, best for 100 concurrent users, and FQR8040, best for 250 concurrent users. Sa QNO iCafe Load Balance Router, 2 hanggang 8 na internet pwedeng gamitin ng sabay-sabay, madadagdagan ng bandwidth, bibilis ang inyong internet, pantay-pantay ang bilis ng internet ng bawat PC, iwas disconnect at lag sa games at surfing, pwedeng limitahan ang pag-download sa YouTube at torrent, madaling i-set up. QNO iCafe Router Inquiry, please contact iGlobe Technology. Call us at 412-3200 or 410-4787. Our cell number 0917-816-9889 or email us at sales@iglobe-fields.com.